Okay, if you're going to catch the movies, maybe catch a baseball game.
COVID-19 has curbed a lot of our normal activities, of course, but in Orange County, a contractor got creative building a coffee shop right in his own backyard.
Or I do my reading, or I do my chilling, my rapping, my thinking,
What do
my
we have?
drinking. Welcome to my crib.
All right, that's the builder named Ed showing his daughter the coffee shop, which he calls La Vida. Apparently took him about 3 months of weekends and late nights to pull all of it together. And get this, he used only repurposed materials that were trash from his other jobs. Quite impressive.
That is the man cave, she shack, whatever you want, cafe, all in one.
Look at it.
Gorgeous.
I'll take an Americano.
With some extra foam, please.
Extra cream.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Click the ABC7 logo to subscribe to our Eyewitness News YouTube channel.